Hey guys, yeah, it's just me. Sorry I didn't take it out of the back like y'all wanted to. I'm gonna do this quick. Now, the first video I made, it wouldn't go through, so I'm making the second video. Okay? So, this one, it's a rainbow fidget spinner. It's metal too. Look, you can hear it. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's kind of loud. Here's the golden fidget spinner. Ta-da. Alright, so comment down below which one you think is better. That one, that rainbow fidget spinner, or this golden fidget spinner. Okay? Can we at least get like 10,000 likes, and I will make more YouTube videos about fidget spinners. Yeah. And thanks.